In this module, I'm going to cover the VPN scenarios. I'm going to show you options for tunneling, for VPN authentication, and how you actually configure a VPN. The goal of this is to give you the ability to allow users to work from wherever they are. If my user is traveling and they are staying in a hotel, or if my user is at home, I need a way for them to connect securely from their computer while they're at home through the internet, authenticate, and access resources in our on-premise environment. So we'll look at all the security considerations and the different ways that can actually be implemented. Then we'll configure the server side and the client side to allow full authentication of our VPN client. Very interesting.